weapons, like a steam from hot water, voices in the atmosphere, with ample service drivers, with drivers labeled and reasonable, drug-free and